How to log in to OANDA application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily log in to your OANDA account using the OANDA application on your smartphone. First of all, open the OANDA app on your device. To log into your account, tap the Continue button and this will take you to the Sign In area. To sign into your account, you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your OANDA account when you first registered for it. Go ahead and type in your email address and then head over to the next field and type in your password. Finally, click Sign In and then you will be able to log into OANDA. Tap on Continue to the app and you have successfully logged in. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.